Hello students, let us try to understand the paralysis, paralysis of alkane. And dear student, the meaning of paralysis is the breaking down of higher alkane to the smaller alkane. So that is higher alkanes on heating to a higher temperature decomposes into lower alkanes and alkenes, etc. Such a decomposition reactions into smaller fragments by the application of heat is called pyrolysis, or that is also known as cracking. So here we can see, student, that is the n-hexane is there. This is normal hexane is there, student, and on 773 Kelvin it is giving the hexene plus hydrogen molecule, or that is the butene and ethane molecule, you know butene and ethane molecule. Lastly, this is the what is, student, ethene and propene, propene plus ethene, plus methane. So that is they are giving only, that is alkane, smaller alkanes and alkene, that is what by the by the heating. So this is known as what, pyrolysis. Now let us see, student, pyrolysis of alkanes is believed to be a free radical reaction. Preparation of oil gas or the petroleum gas from kerosene oil or petrol involve the principle of pyrolysis. For example, dodecane, a constituents of kerosene oil, on heating to 973 Kelvin in the presence of the platinum, palladium or nickel, give a mixture of heptane and pentane. So let us have a look over it, student. Dodecane is there, student. Dodecane means C12H26. So it is giving heptane, in the presence of PD and Ni, 973 Kelvin, heptane plus pentane plus other gases they are producing. So this reaction is known as pyrolysis, student. So in short, you can try to understand the meaning of pyrolysis is what, student. Pyrolysis means, that is, the short term is breaking down of larger alkane, breaking down of larger alkanes to alkenes. Okay, student, larger alkanes, for example, by heating. Okay, by heating. If you talk about the example, student, we are having C6H12 is there. If you are heating at 773 Kelvin, so it will give the different cases, different product is possible. First possible product is, this is the hexane. Okay, student. So the possible products is, that is hexene C6, student, C6H, H12 hexene plus hydrogen gas, or it can also give, that is butene. Butene means C4H8 plus C2H6, and lastly it can also give, that is C3H6 plus C2H4 plus CH4. So this is propene. So these are the products. One more we can say, that is the, if you are taking dodecane, student, C12H26, it is dodecane. So it is there, that is PD and Ni is there, and 973 Kelvin you are heating. So it is giving the product, it is giving two product, it is giving a student. First one is C7 H16 plus C5H10. Okay, C7 means what is that, is this is giving heptane plus it is giving pentene. Okay, so this is what something that is known as pyrolysis. Thank you so much for watching, friends.